And we've been keeping an eye on the local reaction to this landmark ruling.
And Liz, as we know, same-sex marriage has been legal in New York for quite some time, 4 years in fact. The state really, though, paved the way for others to follow in its footsteps. Today, I had the chance to speak with one of the first same-sex couples married in our area to get their take on this major ruling and discuss what this means for New Yorkers moving forward.
The night that we got married at City Hall, we had no idea what to expect.
When Al Martino and Harold Lohner had the chance to get married, they took it.
There was no line, there were no picketers, and they said, "Oh, you want to be first?" You know, like, "Oh, okay."
I do, by virtue of the authority vested in me by the laws of the state of New York, pronounce you married and united as one. Congratulations.
Becoming the first same-sex couple publicly married in Albany, something that had been out of their reach for years. The men framed their marriage license. It's surrounded by happy wishes from their friends. Today's Supreme Court ruling gives Harold and Al hope other couples can stand up and be recognized the way they want to be.
As each other state has passed marriage equality, we've felt better and better about our status.
But we do have friends from out of state who have come back to New York State just to get married.
Oh, right.
And now, with this ruling, it's going to make things a lot different.
Though New York same-sex couples have been allowed to marry for nearly 4 years, the ruling still affects them.
It's the things that straight people take for granted.
Libby Post is one of the founders of Empire State Pride Agenda. She says the ruling clears up problems when couples have emergencies in other states and a number of other issues.
There are issues around children. There are issues around adoption. There are all kinds of issues that now will be seen in a much more positive light. And we'll be able to basically be like any other married couple.
This is a milestone. Same-sex couples like Harold and Al hope will change the conversation in our country.
I think it makes people really rethink the nature of social injustice, whether it's amongst same-sex, racism, whatever. And I think it permeates the whole fabric of our culture.
This is a total win, and there's no going back now.
This Supreme Court decision was as close as you can get. The court ruled 5-4 in this case. The justices who dissented believe that states should be allowed to create their own laws. Now, for complete coverage of this landmark ruling and to read it for yourself, all you have to do is head to cbs6albany.com and click on web links.